everybody! I'm here today with a driving lesson on turning left from a side street onto a main road. If you are driving on a side street and you want to make a left onto a main road, then this is the video for you. Without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm going to explain what to do, then I'll demonstrate myself making that left-hand turn. So first and foremost, as you are coming to a complete stop, because you will pretty much certainly have to come to a complete stop before you make that turn, there's pretty much almost always going to be a stop sign as far as I'm concerned in this situation. You're going to come to a complete stop, but you're going to signal left, check your rear view mirror, check your left side mirror, check your left blind spot. You're going to come to a complete stop before the pedestrian walkway, and you're going to scan left and right, forward and all around for any cars and any pedestrians and anything at all that you should be concerned with. When it is safe to proceed, you're going to proceed to make that left-hand turn. Now, if you have been stopped for more than a few seconds, you probably want to do your mirror check and blind spot check again. So rear view mirror, left side mirror, left blind spot. Also make sure you're not obstructing the pedestrian walkway. Stop before the pedestrian walkway, and only make a left-hand turn in this situation when it is legal to make a left-hand turn. If it says no left-hand turns, don't make a left-hand turn or you're probably going to get a ticket. All right, pretty simple and pretty straightforward. The most important thing is to do the right safety procedures, as well as ensure that you are looking all around for pedestrians and cars. A lot of people will say to look left and right for cars, but they forget that pedestrians might be walking. Pedestrians might even be jaywalking, and you don't want to hit them, so you have to look out for them. So look all around, okay? Now I'm going to make a left up ahead, and usually on a main road, in most cases, there's going to be at least 2 lanes of traffic in either direction, meaning most of the time you're going to have to check through at least 4 lanes of traffic. Sometimes there are turning lanes, sometimes there's 3 in either direction, maybe a center turning lane. You know, there could be any of these things, but most of the time you're gonna have to check through at least 4 lanes of traffic. So I'm approaching the stop sign. There's actually a pedestrian crossing, so this is a pretty good example. I'm gonna stop right, you know, before the pedestrian crossing way, even though she was jaywalking across the middle of the street there. There's a pedestrian right here in front of me looking at me weirdly because I'm talking as I'm driving. So I came to a complete stop, signal left, check my rear view mirror, my left side mirror, my left blind spot. Now I can proceed forward. There are no pedestrians that I can see on the sidewalk. There's one over here, and I can see that I'm gonna have an opening in just a moment. Right about now, I can proceed to make the turn. So as you can see right there, I made that turn very simply. Now, depending on how long you were stopped, you might want to do a double check of your rear view mirror, your left side mirror, and your left blind spot. But it all depends on your own specific situation, right? You might want to check your rear view mirror, left side mirror, left blind spot again. But once again, it all depends. And that's basically, those are the basics of making a left from a side street onto a main road. For the most part, making that left-hand turn is going to be very similar to every other left-hand turn. The only difference is that you're going from pretty much a single lane open street onto a street that probably has at least 4 lanes of traffic going on at the bare minimum for the most part. And you have to be certain before you make that turn. You can't be unsure. You have to be certain that you can make that turn before you actually go ahead and make it. And that's it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.